Hey guys, welcome back. New week, new episode. This is episode vlog number 16.
This week we're going to be showing you a job that we've done down at Springlake. It's a big one. And we're also going to be showing you Elements display suite with some sale track banners that went up.
Enjoy the video guys, it's going to be a cracker.
G'day guys, so today we're at Punt Hill in Springlake, getting the crane set up, pylon here, ready to go. It's going to come up, hook up the chain, lift it, drop it on the bolts of the pad there. We'll get this one up here, and then after that one we'll get the Dan Murphys straight up on the building. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Check it out.
Put it up in your mind. But did you ever try to puff on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be alright. You run, drive, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the water rain fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to puff on the right side? Put it up in your mind.
So we're just going to do a quick walkthrough around and check all the signage out. We've got our first one over here. Go through, just mark off whatever the installers have installed. Make sure everything's all okay, all cleaned up, all touched up. Just going to go through my list and tick off all the signs that we've installed, make sure they're all okay. Right, cruise bar, that's all organised. And we'll head inside and check out the signs inside.
That'll help if you press the button.
So what we've got here, we've got 20mm laser cut acrylic, topped up with a 10mm laser cut acrylic, straight flush mounted directly to the wall. Gives a nice 3D look on a black wall. Alright guys, so if you don't know what wayfinding signage is, this is a good example of what wayfinding signage is. Just directs all the people in the apartment to where they're going to go.
Alright guys, so here we have her at Springlake Shopping Centre in one of the car parks. We've got some directory signage that we've put around the place. So here's one of the lift core signs, shows you which and what level is where. Pretty much it's a 10mm acrylic panel with a digital print face and 3D letters. And we've got the halo effect lighting around it, which gives it that nice finish. As we're coming through, we've got some trolley bay signage that we've put up. Obviously your speed limit signs, customer care parking signs, they're all throughout the whole car park. So I'm not going to walk around the whole car park, there's quite a few signs. We've got the 5-minute check-in parking times that we've put up as well. And that's pretty much it, but yeah, I'm not going to walk all the car park levels because there's a lot. I'll give you a little bit of a rundown. So we've got apartment numbers that we've put in here that are on 3mm matte black acrylic with 3D acrylic letters that have been 2-pack painted gold. We've got evacuation diagrams these diagrams, pretty much if there's a fire, everybody comes out, reads the diagram to get out of the building. We've got fire safety door signage, which is part of the services. We've got fire extinguisher signage up there on the roof. And then as we come down, you'll see it's just repeated the hotel numbers right down. And then as you come across, we'll have some wayfinding which directs which way the apartments go, which you'll see now.
So what we got here, we got fabricated acrylic lettering with a backlit LED illuminated that produces a nice halo look.
Same thing in the lobby area. On all the levels of the lifts, same thing, we've got the 10mm acrylic with the digital print face and the halo illuminated outside. Alright guys, check this sign out. Dan Murphy's Springlake. What a massive sign. It pretty much consists of, we've got a steel frame that's been mounted to a louvered wall, you could say, ACM cladded background, and some massive 3D illuminated letters. Wait till you see this thing at night light up.
To back that beautiful sign up, we've also done some nice line marking on the floor. We backed it up also with some nice entry prints, pick-up prints, and a nice Liquor Merchants print, full covering over the window. So as you can see, all these window prints are block-out prints. We put them up as a new tenant is going in, so they can complete their fit-out. We've cut out little circles so people can have a little peek through. Once they're done, we rip them off, put the shop front signage on for the new tenant, and they're good to go. Hey guys, here you have it, the Springlake Shopping Centre pylon, main entry pylon. So what we've got here, we've got an LED screen and the whole thing illuminates all individual letters. And then as you see on the side here, this is a fully illuminated spline. It gives a nice effect when it's lit up at night. And the whole ground here was a pad footing that we had to do. It was a last minute change. But yeah, we got it done and there it is. Alright guys, what we've got here are some custom fabricated under awning light boxes for each tenant. What they are, they're individually cut out letters with the side spline that illuminates to match the rest of the signage that goes on around at Springlake. So if you guys are ever staying in Caroline Springs, be sure to stay here, Punt Hill Apartments, Caroline Springs at Springlake Shopping Centre. Yeah.
So we'll go take away that. That's what you made. Yeah. Hopefully we get the foot in the door. Working on something very special, guys. A client that you would never dream of that actually come to us that we didn't chase. Could be life-changing. Quite happy about that. You happy about that? He doesn't seem too impressed, does he? It's all good. I'll get it over the line.
Mr. Versace.
Hey guys, how you going? Commercial manager here.
Mr. Versace. Where's your belt? Show us your belt.
No, I've got the belt.
No belt today?
No belt
Around the
today.
glass? Do you want to show us what you're doing?
Yeah, come guys, come have a look.
Let's go have a look. Michael gets stage fright. No, show us the actual work. We don't care about the paper.
No, I don't want to show the work.
So you're doing no work?
No, I'm
So you just run off paper?
I'm preparing it.
What are you preparing, mate?
So
You
we've
didn't
got
prepare that.
all the stat signs in here.
Haley does your work. Michael just delegates the work. Dixie does the work. I like your desk, Michael. It's very cute.
Yeah. My little office that I get out of the whole building, they shove me into a corner.
What else are you working on, Michael? Doesn't look like you're working on much.
No, I haven't got much now. I'm joking.
Come on, mate.
I finished
Show us what you're working on. You just showed me paper.
I can't.
You can't.
We've got one here for an apartment that we're installing next week on Wednesday. We've got all the apartment numbers that will be going up very shortly. Lobby signs, evacs, some frames, and all the statuary signage.
Oh, we'll go see your boss, mate.
Yeah, let's go see Vinny and I'll show you how I run Vinny.
Like with charge.
Hey, this is James. We're here in Williamstown North. We are going to be doing around about 150 metres of banner. That's 11 banners ranging from 2.5 to 15 metres. We're going to start here on the left hand side. And we're going to work our way around until we get to the other side of the hoarding.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for episode 17, coming very soon.
Make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.